Hey guys, what's going on? Got out the VU FY02 again, but this time you can probably see that I've got a little bit wider wheels, just a bit more for the stability. I'll bring it over so I can show you. Saul's out here too. So I've just bought these cheapy wheels from eBay. They are the same width, they are the 90mm, but they've got a different offset. So you can see that they're a little bit wider. So I'm hoping for just a little bit more stability, and yeah, we're going to try these out today. Nothing else has been changed from the last video on this. Still running the 3S brushless upgrade on this, and yeah, nothing else has been changed except now these tires, and that's what we're doing now. We're going to test out these tires. Even though the stability was still okay back in the last video with the original tires, I could probably just go for a little bit more stability and see how we go with them. They are cheapy, they didn't cost too much, probably I think maybe $30 or $40, but yeah, I reckon it looks more tough anyway. It looks pretty cool. I reckon I like it. Look at that, nice and tough. All right, let's get it out on this dirt track and have some fun. Which one should we take it on first? Big jump or the small jump? Let's go small first. Start small, won't break anything. Give it a few runs, see how we go with it. Nice. It's not too bad. The surface is very soft, very grainy, but it's holding up okay. I think the stability is much better from my experience, except it's I'm rolling a lot more now. I don't know why. I don't know if it's just me, the way I'm driving, or it's just rolling more. Oh, good save. Now still am running the friction shocks as well. They're not the best, but it's handling okay so far. Like over all the rough terrain that's here and these big scoria rocks, it's doing okay. See what Saul's doing. Come over for a visit.
Gotta go and get a battery for my GoPro.
Oh. Oh, come on. Oh. When you get a good run and then it rolls on you. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to upgrade these shocks as well very soon. See, they just see them in there, absolutely terrible. They just like give you nothing at all, no stability whatsoever. Oh, should have stayed on it. Try and get up this big ramp. Oh, nice body hit.
Just real drive.
Not too bad. I feel I'm running out of power though. Oh.
Dipping out or you real drive?
No, just
Dipping out.
no.
Yeah, he's sticking out. One of the wheels is not moving.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. It's actually grippier than I expected for such
Yeah.
wheels.
They're not too bad. I thought it'd be worse. Oh, I just find that the wheels just want to take off on their own.
Do they?
Like I've toned the dual rate down, I've got the trim right, but I just find as you come down, they just want to sort of take off in any direction they want.
Something like
Yeah.
that, rather than actual electronics.
Yeah, they got like tyre memory.
Oh, that was a nice one.
Okay. Nice.
God, a little bit more speed and I reckon you'd be able to do a backflip with it.
Probably. The balance is still not bad.
Yeah.
Oh, I've nearly done a corkscrew.
It's because you took off the ramp at the...
Yeah. Well, it handles alright. Yeah. That's it. Low voltage cut off. And we're done. Alright, no breakages. Woohoo!